How to fix low volume issue on MacBook Pro and Air. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix low volume issue on your Mac. Let's get started without wasting any time. Click on the Apple menu at the top left and choose System Settings. On the System Settings, find and click Sound. Under the sound menu, make sure alert volume is set high enough and play sound effects through is set to MacBook Air speakers. Now make sure the output volume is also set high enough and make sure the balance slider is in the middle. That's it. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.